In this video, let me show you how to use the compare books tool with your friends inside of Goodreads. Now, this is a feature inside of Goodreads which lets you view a score or gets you a rating of the similar days that you have in books with your friends. So in order to use this tool, you need to head over to their profile or the friend's profile that you're trying to compare. And on the top right, you'll be able to see the option called More from this drop down menu. You just need to click on the compare books option. Now, in order to get a rating of the compatibility with your friends, you need to have more books in common. So if you only have a few books in common, you won't be able to get this compatibility rating that is being displayed. So instead, you'll get the books that this person reads or are in common. You'll be able to see the books that are not in common, and you'll be able to see the books that are actually in common. And also, you'll be able to see all of the books that this person is interested in or has read inside of this section. So you can take a look at it, and you can also skip if you are not interested in. So by following this exact process, you can use the compare tool with your friends inside of Goodreads. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.